Yes guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change a shield in Monopoly Go. So let's start. So to change a shield in Monopoly Go, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Then go to My Showroom. At the bottom of your screen you can see a head, a shield and a lock. Tap on the shield. And at the top drawer you will see all the shields you have. I only have one shield at the moment. To change a shield, press on another shield. I only can press this shield, and as you see I equipped this one. If you want to change, just tap on another shield and then tap here on equip. And now you have changed your shield. There's also another way how you can change your shield, and that is by simply just pressing here on your shields. And then here also you can immediately change your shield. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And then I want to thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.